Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Xbox One date and time. So you can change the date and time on your Xbox One by following these simple steps, and make sure you want the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is, for you to be able to change your Xbox One date and time, is to open the settings. So press the Xbox button on your controller, then scroll to profile and system, then click on settings. And after that, you have to go to date. So to go to date, or to navigate to date, you have to select system. Then under system, you just click on time. Then after that, next thing is to turn off the automatic time if needed. So if your console is connected to the internet, it sets the time automatically. Then if it is to manually change or turn off, set time automatically. Then after that, adjust the date and time manually, then restart if needed. Some settings might require to a restart just to take effect. So that's a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your Xbox One day and time. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.